Let's have a look at how the filter is connected. Check this out. This is the volume, and now I just connect this little wire here. And it just changes the sound immediately. It changes based on this knob, so if this would be completely closed, and then I would connect this in, we don't hear anything. Then if I move this up, it's basically this point here that's controlling the filter. And this point is called filter set frequency analog read A1. This little point here, number 30, is connected to number 30 here inside in this microcontroller, which helps me control the filter.